Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this really interesting question before us. We have 4 all over 9 to the power of root x is equal to 27 over 8 to the power of root x minus 5. And we're asked to find the value of x in this equation, okay? So let's solve it. Solution: 4 over 9 to the power of root x is equal to 27 over 8 to the power of x minus 5. So you notice that 4 and 9 are perfect squares. That means there's a number that you can multiply it by it twice and you can get 4. So you have 2 times 2 will give you 4. So that you can rewrite 4 as 2 multiplied 2 raised to the power 2 all over 3 raised to the power 2 root to the power of root x. That's equal to 27 can be rewritten as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And that's going to be 3 cubed all over. Same in the same vein, you have that 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3. Okay? Raised to power root x minus 5. Now, because you have the powers of the numerator and the denominator similar, they can both share the same power. So you can write this and say 2 over 3 to the power of 2, open bracket, multiplied by root x is equal to 3 over 2, close your bracket, to the power of 3, open bracket, multiplied by root x minus 5, close bracket. Okay, let's multiply the powers right now. So we have 2 over 3, 2 root x is equal to 3 over 2. 3 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root x is going to give you 3 root x minus 3 multiplied by this will give you 15. Okay, however, you see that this is an inverse of this. So let's take this. So when you have in exponential rule, when you have a over b, it can be written as b over a raised to power minus 1. Okay, so whenever you are going to be bringing the denominator as the numerator, it's going to be raised to negative number 1. So let's do that here now. So this becomes 3 over 2 raised to power minus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of x. Okay, and that's equal to 3 over 2 root 3 root x minus 15. Okay, so this is 3 over 2 negative 2 root x equal to 3 over 2 to the power of 3 root x minus 15. All right. So notice that your denominator, the bases are the same, so they can both cancel. Then the powers become equal. So you have minus 2 root x is equal to 3 root x is equal minus 15. Let's bring the x part to the left hand side. So when we do that, we have minus 2 root x. When this crosses over to this other side, it becomes a negative 3 root x is equal to minus 15. All right, let's continue. So this is minus 2 root x minus 5 root x. We're going to be applying sort now. So this is root 2. This is going to be minus 5 root x is equal to minus 15. So we say we are looking for the value of x. So the next step is to divide both sides by minus 5. All right, so when we do that, we'll have minus 5 root x all over minus 5 is equal to minus 15 all over minus 5. All right, so this minus 5 will cancel minus 5. So we'll have root x is equal to minus cancel minus 5 here 1, 5 here 3. Root x is equal to 3. So the next thing is to take the squares, take squares of both sides. Okay, so when we do that, we have root x squared is equal to 3 squared. A square will cancel out square root. So x becomes 3 multiplied by 3, which is 3 squared, is going to give us 9. This is our answer. So let's verify this equation. Okay, verify. Our initial question was 4 over 9 to the power of root x is equal to 27 over 8 to the power of root x minus 5. All right, and we are going to be substituting 9 for the value of x in this equation. So let's do that. So here we'll have 4 over 9 root 9. Our answer was 9. So we are putting in x. We're putting in 9 where we see x is equal to 27 over 8 root 9 minus 5. All right. This is 4 over 9. Root 9 is going to give us 3 is equal to 27 over 8. Root 9 will give us 3 minus 5, which is going to be minus 2. Okay? Now, remember that this is a perfect square. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 2 over 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 cube is equal to 3 raised to the power 3 over 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to minus 2. Okay? Now, we'll say 2 over 3 all squared, 2 multiplied by 3, the outer 3, is equal to 3 over 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by minus 2. So this is 2 over 3 raised to the power 6 and is equal to 3 over 2 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 is going to give you minus 6, right? So now let's take the inverse of this. So when you do that, you have 3 over 2 raised to the power minus 6 is the same thing as 3 over, is equal to 3 over 2 raised to the power minus 6. And you can see from here that our left hand side is the same thing as our right hand side. Therefore, the value of x to be equal to 9 is our answer, and it is correct. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe.